Hello! Let's learn some colors and 2D shapes. Purple color, light pink color, orange color, dark blue color, dark pink color, sky blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, brown color, dark green color. I'm making small circles in the line. This shape is triangle shape. Now I'm using rainbow color to fill all the shapes. This is red color. Triangle. Orange color. This is also a rainbow color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Purple is also a rainbow color. This is triangle. Triangle pop it. Again I am using rainbow color to coloring the circle. Circle pop it. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. This is circle. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Circle. This is circle. Circle pop it. Red color. I am coloring the heart pop it with red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Yellow is also a rainbow color. Green color. Heart. This shape is heart. Again I am using blue color. Purple color. Heart. This shape is heart. Heart pop it. Red color. Orange color. Star. This is star. Yellow color. Green color. Star. Blue color. Purple color. This is star. Star puppet. Red color. Pentagon. Orange color. Yellow color. Pentagon. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pentagon. Pentagon. Pentagon puppet. Purple color. Red color. Square. Again I am using rainbow color. Orange. Yellow color. This is square. Green color. Blue color. This is square. Purple color. This is square puppet. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square. Triangle puppet, circle puppet, heart puppet, star puppet, pentagon puppet, square puppet. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.